oyotenete Burundi boimeyense Kipchumba MURKOMEN nigo emambi ya rero akora igikaro n'ebitabo by'Uburundi kurwa ase county ya Nyamira elio kugayana ayanegetiwe ase sector y'Uburundi kagokwana ekerekyo nigo bono MURKOMEN aichanire ebikore by'oboiti by'abasubati n'oboiti osinoboti bongi bwa bana bake ebyokoreng'ana neratebire nigo byabere bikonekiwa sobonge ase county eyo nigatebire bunang nachie koenekia kobeka chinyomba koenekia omorobiri bokwaga chinyomba cherigorire nsasense moyongo chakigore nenchere moyogo chigokora omochando bw'echindimero ase orogongo rwa gusiga tie baraibekirana ngamo no mugavana bwe county ya Nyamira musikia mosinyaribo mutendiri b'abasubati ase county eyo Jerusha Momanyi omobunge wa West Mugirango mwakili Steve Mugaka orio borabu mheshimiwa Patrick Osero oyo North Mugirango mheshimiwa Joash Nyamokonegati yabande muri kito Steven Nyariki no robot rwa senchere bwikirana
Waziri w'Uburundi w'ime Moske Kipchumba MURKOMEN igakoreta robene gocha se county ya Nyamira inseye kemanyerigia Jukwa Usalama asenjera yemo yo kurigereria chinjera cyo kwendra gotinya Uburundi ase county ya Nyamira
43rd Jukwa Usalama county tour. We have this is our penultimate meeting of Jukwa Usalama because we have done all the other 5 counties in the Nyanza region.
Kaukwanekerekyo MURKOMEN nigaereire tene ninga nigo arache komenta chigari chabasigari chiribisata iga Kenya elio gotinya obonyabi n'obotuki kwenekinga ababebu ngobe kwa barebyara.
We have agreed on most of the things. Promotions we are working on. Issues about your uniform, you know, we've sorted those issues and we will make it better. We've had the improvements that you want. Mambo ya mobility has told you we are doing procurement ya vehicles. Hopefully by December we'll have agreed with Treasury so that we distribute vehicles to you and we'll see as much as possible how far we can go with the motorcycles.
Ekereke kyo MURKOMEN niga ichane ire okina nene mono wechisegi chegenka obotibongi nabo igo goito kwa basubati egenza kwerra kiaretirwa nene mono namaremo nagotebanga entire moyo gosonsora no kwenekinga chinyomba chekerero gosa affordable housing chichikobekwa gusi erikogwanyana mangana yechindemero.
Is that this county is among the leading counties and sexual and gender-based violence, particularly issues of defilement are very high. We want to also have a conversation with our chiefs and assistant chiefs on how we can get community support, particularly in reporting these cases. We want also to deal with the kangaroo courts, where communities try to resolve these issues through alternative dispute resolution.
Asensemo yabagambia baikirana nigo bagania omowaziri yo kurigereria chinchera cyuko bakinia nabo igo kwenekinga abatureti boigongo bekwa bare asenjera yo wakanwa.
Men and women ambao wanatusaidia kuleta sheria na utengamano. Hawa ni watu wanafanya kazi ngumu sana to combat crime in a very challenged economy. These men and women go beyond their ordinary call of duty. Na mimi naomba hata kama sisi wote wa serikali tuko under SRC, these are the people who are where the rubber meets the road in administration. And we really need to appreciate them. Na hata wewe kwa budget yako, tengeneza one time some holiday, at least 1 or 2 weeks holiday, watembe ata Mombasa as part of an appreciation by the country for the great work these people are doing.
Nigo boigo babekese getonga nerebu yao morembe otingiwe ase oroberwa keroka gati ya Kisi na Nyamira.
The former Minister for Interior Security came from Borabu. And not only Borabu, from the border. So immediately he left. You can imagine the lacuna that was left. And then these things started. Because there's a time they had reached 0%. Our security, wetu, wapi kamande? Kamande yuko hapa. Believe you me, they have done a very fantastic job. Especially on issues of intercommunal dialogue. That is why you find the cow is stolen, hawezi kupeleka kwa nyumba. sababu hawa na watu wale wa pande ile wameongea. Sasa mtu ni kuficha wapi? Kwa forest.
Stephen Nyarikemode, Ensoko TV, Nyamira.